Hi friends, today I am going to prepare a healthy dish, broccoli cutlets. The main ingredient of this recipe is broccoli. Let's start. Take the broccoli and cut into pieces like this. Then wash it well. Here I am preparing hot water and adding 2 teaspoons of salt. After our broccoli pieces are added to this hot water, wait for 2 minutes until it's cooked. After 2 minutes, move it to a plate and cut into maximum small pieces. Next, add small pieces of grated cheese, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and 1 egg. Finally, mix it well. After adding 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, mix well again. Finally, take 1 glass of breadcrumbs in another bowl. Take a small portion of our broccoli mix and shape it into either a round shape or any shape you prefer. After shaping, dip the cutlet into the breadcrumbs, ensuring all sides are coated. Next, put a pan on the stove and pour oil. Once the oil is hot, place the broccoli cutlets into the pan and fry them. After 2 minutes, turn them over and continue frying. Remember to keep the stove at medium flame this time. Yes, our cutlets are ready. They are very tasty and healthy. I encourage everyone to try this recipe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment. If you are a first time viewer, please subscribe to this channel as well. See you next time. Bye bye.